Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, so please do subscribe, like and comment. So today we are doing a recipe of egg curry. So let's get started. So it is ready. So I'm telling you the recipe of this we prepared. So first we will boil the eggs till it become golden in color.
Boil करना golden color.
Then we will peer it and then we will put oil on the flame. Then and now in the eggs we will sprinkle turmeric, red chili powder, salt on boiled eggs. We will sprinkle it. Okay. Moving ahead, we will pour some onion in the pan. Then we pour a little bit red chili powder in this. Then salt, paste, turmeric and coriander powder. And also tomatoes.
Onion. Chopped onions.
You should chop the onion very small, tiny pieces. We chopped tomatoes also. And now we are cutting eggs.
Boiled eggs.
And now we are mixing it.
Gel.
You have to boil the eggs till they become golden in color. And now just pouring water.
Egg curry.
Little bit. Mixing it well. Now we are pouring little water.
Keep the phone on.
So it is boiling. So it is almost in liquid state. Now we are grinding.
Grating, grinding. It's grating.
Boiled egg. It seems really very delicious.
Hope the taste also.
It will.
Let's see then. Let's keep your
Yummy
fingers
also.
crossed.
So yummy.
So it is boiling very perfectly. So we will add as many eggs you want. So it is according to the family members. Okay. So we turn off the gas. So our curry has to be of semi-liquid state. I used eggs according to my family members. So we are sprinkling kasuri methi.
मीठी मिर्ची.
According to the taste.
Wait a minute, I have to stir it first.
Now we are mixing it. So we are turning on the gas again. So we are sprinkling this salt according to the taste. So our egg curry is almost ready.
Not almost, it's ready.
It's almost ready to serve. Yes.
It's ready for serve, yeah.
So our egg curry is ready to serve. Now let's serve. So we are serving it. You can eat it with paratha or bun also.
अंदर पाड़ीस तू.
How is it, Kanak? Yummy. Yay!
ભાયું